And for the last subtitle, direct proportion. What is direct proportion? Do you remember when we use the frequency table? We sometimes, or most sometimes, diamond, we have two rows or two columns. If both sides increase or both sides decrease, then we have direct proportion. يعني بمعنى أصح إذا the first values of, let's say إنه x axis increasing in constant rate and the y axis increase in constant rate, so both sides increase or both sides decrease, so we have direct proportion. هذا إذا كان عندي frequency table. What if I have a graph? If you remember the scatter graph, we have two types of scatter graphs. If you remember, we have positive and we have the negative correlation, right? The positive correlation is a direct proportion, because when you increase in x-axis, the y-axis or the y-coordinate will increase, but the negative correlation is not. Okay, so we will focus on positive or increasing or direct proportion. So it's important to for you to use direct proportion to solve exercises. I have my own way to solve these exercises. Okay, Tasa, you can solve examples زي طريقة الكتاب, but I have another way to solve, واللي هي بلاقيها الطريقة الأسهل اللي هي حتى معظم طلابي بعلمهم عليها. Okay, let's start with a simple, very simple example. Example number 9, page 213. هذا الإكزامبل كتير easy، بس راح نحله بطريقة البروبورشن عشان أعلمكم next time لو يكون عندي values أو يكون examples على أشياء أكبر بكتير إنه تستخدم البروبورشنز لهي الأسئلة. 3 oranges cost 81 cent. How much 7 oranges cost? طريقة الكتاب he drew a table and he mentioned that 3 oranges cost 81. He is thinking of a number to multiply by 3 to get 81, so he found the 27. So, if you have 7 oranges, how can you find the total price? So, you have to multiply by 27 because for the first value we multiplied by 27. هاي طريقة الكتاب. الطريقة اللي أنا بحب أحل عليها and you will get the same answer كالتالي. 3 oranges cost 81 cent. What about 7 oranges? So he's asking about 7 oranges. 7. So you have to write 7 with oranges because 7 represent number of oranges. So لما قال لي 7, I can't write 7 with 81 because this side represent the cents, the cost, and this side represent the number of oranges. So 7 oranges represent what? Unknown. So since it's unknown, you can assume X, Y, Z, W, it's up to you. هفرضها C since I'm talking about cents, okay? أو W, let's say إنها W. By cross multiplication, 81 times 7 is equal to 3 times W. So 3 times W is equal to 81 times 7. Simplify. 3 times W is equal to 81 times 7 equal 567. So we have a linear equation simple linear equation. You need to divide by 3, divide by 3 to get W equal. So 567 divided by 3 equal 189. ولأنه إحنا قلنا W في الساين تبع السنتس so we have 189 cents. في مرة علمتكم طريقة كتير سهلة. 1 step من هون اللي متذكر. If you can do this way or if you can't you can solve step by step. okay. متذكرين اللي كنت أحكي لهم W equal بما إنه هاي W هي الأنون بعمل diagonal line بعملهم multiplication then divide by the third one. so W equal نعمل diagonal line 81 times 7 divide by 3 one shot. 81 times 7 divide by 3 اللي هي نفسها بتطلع 189 cent. تمام. one more example. example 10. Fill in the missing number if x and y are directly proportional to each other. طالما directly proportional بقدر استخدم الطريقة اللي تعلمتها. so عندي جهة للx let's say هون x on y. okay. if x equal 4 you will get y equal 10. so لما تكون x equal 4 you will get y equal 10. then if x equals 7 what is the value of y? if x equals 7 what is the value of y? let's say instead of a question mark we have y. by cross multiplication y times 4 is equal to 7 times 10. 4 times y equals 70. We need to divide by 4. Divide by 4 to get y equal 70 divide by 4 equal 17.5. so you can put 17.5. okay. so you don't have to think of 2.5. okay. you can solve by this way or by my way. okay. we have the third way. إذا كان عندي ال y 35 what is the value of x? okay. I'm telling you that if x equal 4 you will get y equal 10. again نرجع من الأول. for x equal 4 y equal 10. if y equal 35 what is the value of x? so if y equal 35 what is the value of x? let's say we have x. so 10 times x equal 4 times 35 أو one shot one step زي ما علمتكم. x equal diagonal line multiplication بعدين divide by 10. so 35 times 4 divide by 10. again اللي لسه مش قادر يتقن هاي ال one shot يعملها step by step. equal 35 times 4 equal 140 divide by 10 x equal 14. let's see x equal 14. okay. ناخد كمان example 11. ناخد example 11 بعدين نحل سؤال من أسئلة من exercises. okay. if the yellow paint is 5 the blue paint will be 2. so we have yellow and blue. If the yellow pen is 5, the blue one will be 2. منين جبت الvalues؟ من هون. لما يكون اليلو 5 يكون اليلو 5 البلو 2. Okay, what if the yellow is 28? إذا اليلو 28, what is the value of the blue one? By cross multiplication, blue equal 2 times 28 divide by 5 equal 2 times 28 equal divide by 5 11.2. B equal 11.2. Okay, I will solve exercise 13C, question number 2A. Okay, if 16 tickets cost $280, what do 7 tickets cost? Again, we have tickets, we have the cost. If 16 tickets cost $280, what do 7 tickets cost? So let's say إنه الcost هي C. By cross multiplication, C equal diagonal line, then divide by 16. So 280 times 7 divide by 16. So equal 280 times 7 equal divide by 16. 122.5. So C equal $122.5. تمام. So you can use both ways. Okay, إذا ارتحتوا على طريقة كتاب طريقة التابل أو by direct multiplication, by cross multiplication, you will get the same answer. Okay, if you have any questions, notify me please. Thank you.